Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a little scooter motorcycle thingy video, and I'm gonna show you on a tour. It's been raining for the past I don't know, week maybe, but this video, oh, it's fast, it's fast. Come on down to the school. Sorry for pointing at the sky, but it's just fast. Ooh! 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 Wow! So. I'm going slow like there. I'm hitting the brakes because I don't want to go flying, you know? I don't want to go flying. I'm going like 5,000 miles per hour on this thing, you know? Like 5,083, 4. Sorry for burping. Whew. That's why I'm driving a car. Like, I have to pay attention to the car. Right there. Just shake it off. Just shake it off. Just shake out the feeling. Just shake it off. That's what the farting preacher said. And I almost died of laughing. Because he's so hilarious. That's what the farting preacher said. Just shake it off. Shake off that feeling. Shake off that arthritis. Shake off that arthritis. Shake it off. Just shake it off. Shake off the things that hold you down. Time to fly. Because I just fly. I call it the clay ball. Or the citron. Citron. Clay ball or citron. So, it's really fast. And if I sound like SpongeBob, I'm probably be stupid. But, I mean... Whoa. I'm really sorry, guys. This thing is just hilarious. Hold on. Oh, nothing's actually hilarious. Shake off that arthritis. Going 5,000 miles per hour here, and there's a lot of wind in my face. Sorry there's wind on the camera, but I can't really speak because it's like 1 degree outside, and it is the middle of July up here in North Carolina. It's really, really cold, but usually most of the time it's like 1,000,000 degrees. But this is weird for me. Like this. Well, I hope you like this video. Give it a great, gigantic thumbs up and a citrus thumbs up. Give it a citrusy thumbs up, cause I'm gonna you guys are gonna look at another video, and the video of the key collection, that's a year old, and I'm really sorry for my weird voice. But it just changes, you know. And look at that. It's a boo-boo cake. You guys like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.